in most places in the world, particularly like us, there's like an 18 or 19-year drought cycle
I
that
think we're
basically,
starting to get into that now. Like it was super wet when we first got the place, and
yeah,
we're looking at the dugout, and I'm like, yeah, that's getting lower. That's getting lower.
yeah.
It's looking lower now that it's got all the snow on it than it did when it was full in the summer when we first got it.
Yeah, absolutely. And so this is what will happen. And it's based on the moon has a kind of a certain pattern that takes 19 years for it to go around. And so the difference between like the wettest years is 19 years, and same thing for the drought,
Mm.
but it
And
basically
yeah,
goes through these patterns. And so like 2002 for us, that was the last time we were in a drought year, and we're coming up on one again. And my bet is we are heading in, we're going to have a brutal year this year. We had hardly any snow this winter,
yeah,
and we've been kind of getting progressively drier the last few years.